The D5300 delivers excellent photo quality for its price class. Though it doesn't have the broadest tonal range I've seen, it generally produces sharp photos with excellent color reproduction and really good JPEG images in low light. It's as good as the Fujifilm X100F A and arguably better because the higher resolution gives it more detail to work with. Its images are noticeably better than the D5200's at every ISO sensitivity, though it looks like that simply because they're sharper, not less noisy. Because the sensor lacks an anti-aliasing filter, the images retain excellent sharpness even as noise rises. JPEGs look very clean up through ISO 800, and they are still quite good at ISO 1600. While ISO 3200 shows quite a bit of detail degradation, it's still quite good in well-lit areas, and many of my ISO 6400 shots are quite usable, even printed to 13x19. While shooting RAW is recommended for making subsequent exposure adjustments, I really couldn't improve on the JPEG processing and noise reduction results at any ISO sensitivity. Keep in mind that I shoot in fine JPEG 1.2 compression, which is essentially lossless. JPEG 1.2 uses lossless RLE for spatial compression, but there is always a little color and tonal compression simply transcoding from the RAW to the JPEG, while the camera defaults to 1.4 normal compression, which is unequivocally lossy. If you leave it on the defaults, your mileage may vary. The video is more than acceptable for personal use. There are none of the artifacts that I usually see with OLPF3 sensors and fewer problems with noir and aliasing than in the Canon EOS Rebel models. Darker exposures do tend to really block up in the shadows, though,